Can you spot the mistakes? Common grammar errors. Which sentence is incorrect? Should is not followed by to. You should ask the doctor for advice. Had better is not followed by to and it means should. It is strong advice and criticism about something not done. Life is a state, so we don't want present continuous. The other sentences show something happening at time of speaking, or something changing at temporary. When we talk about the number of times something has happened in the past till now, we use present perfect. We don't know when exactly, but we know how many times. Despite does not need of. Despite comes before a noun, gerund or the phrase, the fact that. But for means if it were not for, were it not for. Apart from, but, except mean not including. Make somebody do something, we do not use to after make. We only put to after make if it is passive. Information is uncountable. We use many with countable nouns. Much with uncountable. When we want to show something negative, or that it is more than good, we use to.